Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Tucked away in Stony Hill is this hidden valley of an acre and a half of land, great for development, investment, or just to call your own. The land also is very fruitful and fertile and is perfect if you envision having a variety of fruit trees surrounding you. On 1/3 acre is an incomplete 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom house with living, dining, and washroom area that could be completed and easily made as your dream home. Guys, let's take a quick look at this incomplete structure. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 85 million or US $552,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.